So you can see the soil pitch against the foundation here is actually going inward, which is a problem for water drainage. You want the water to be draining the water outward. So in this video, we're going to fix that. Let's get started. So a little home maintenance here. We want the water to be running away from the foundation, not toward it. You can see the soil is pitching inward. That's normal over time. So we're going to be fixing it. A quick fix in this video. Finally got a hold of a Tamp, a pretty heavy duty one, 8x8 inches, Cobalt brand. But picked this up at Lowe's and absolutely love this thing. It is the real deal for sure.
All right, is that heavy? Too heavy for you? Let's see you use it. What do you think? Good work.
Easy.
Easy?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. It's a good workout, man.
No.
It's kind of heavy.
This up and
Okay, let's bring it over to our trail and tamp down our trail.
This thing's got lots of applications. We're actually building a trail in our woods that are right next to our house, and it is pretty powerful, like I said. But I don't want to turn this video into a promo or anything, but this is a necessary tool to get the job done. You can see how crushing it is in terms of compacting the soil. So let's get back here to the base, the foundation of the home, and we're going to get some soil. We're buying plenty of bags, and we're going to be spreading out those bags and kind of pushing the soil up against the foundation. Now, this particular home has some treated lumber as a skirting. It's not the actual foundation itself, keep in mind. I'll do a separate video on that, but you can see how we angle the soil so it's pitched outward. And we're going to put some grass seed, and make sure you buy the right kind. I bought this at Lowe's as well, and it's basically a shade, sun, very versatile mix, and it's got some built-in little mulch pellets. So we're going to lay some grass seed down, and that's going to help create root systems, so it helps with drainage and water runoff as opposed to just soil saturating water when it rains, right? So we put down the grass seed, we tamp it down, we put down some more grass seed on top, tamp it down, and of course keep it moist, put some straw over it, and hopefully that grass will start to come up. And that's the idea. You do this all the way around your house, so lots of soil, a tamper, grass seed, and that should be a critical home maintenance piece. Getting those supplies and finding a little bit of time to do this is an important step for your home. All right, hopefully this helped you out. Thanks.